Hey everyone, this is Benjamin here from the African Geek, and you are welcome to this fantastic video. In this video, I just want to share a little bit of some updates that has taken place on the African Geek community and everything that's going on, so that you can also be a part of the movement. So, without any much ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so here we are in our browser, and the first thing I'll do is to visit, the African Geek website. So www.theafricangeek.net. Okay, and it should load up beautifully. So I'll just give it some time for it to load, and there are a couple of things that have been added on the website, and I'd love to share it with you. So with this, just in case you want to be notified with templates and also blogs, my blog post, you can just click on hell yeah, just to show you'd love to be notified anytime new templates are uploaded. Okay, but what I want to talk about is let me cancel this for now. What I want to talk about is the community section that has been added on the African Geek website, and this is a big plus for all the African Geek fans out there, or all the geeks out there. Okay, so to do this, you need to come into the community section. Okay, and there are a couple of things you need to know. That's why I'm making this video, also to be able to walk you through some of these things. So that's how the community section is going to look like, and you can see we have various forums on here. So we have a forum for bookworm, people who are interested in books, just to talk about your books and stuff like that. Canva designs, just to share your designs, and just to share tips, tricks, about Canva and a whole lot of that. With content creation, for content creators, this forum is for content creators. So you can come in here, you can talk about content creation, you can share tips, you can do so many things. Okay, and we have digital marketing forum, we have e-commerce. Just coming here talking about these topics, so that people interested in this topic can also come learn, and if they need your service, they can also contact you, because once you talk about anything, I'd highly recommend that you add maybe your Instagram handle, your Instagram, Facebook, emails, and stuff like that, so that anyone can you know contact you if they need your service. So this is something for each and everyone, each and every one of us to share our ideas, teach people what we know, and also to gain more clients and stuff like that. So we have web design, social media, and all of these things. So how do you get started with this? The first thing you need to do is to create an account. Okay, and with this, you only need to click on register, and you see username and your email, and a password would be mailed to you instantly. Okay, so once you do this, you have to check your email and change your password. A default password will be sent to you. So all you need to do is to change your password and log in back to the website. Okay, so I already have a user account, so I'll just log in. So Benjamin, okay, and let me just log in. So then I click on log in once I enter my details. So if I do that, it should refresh, and yeah, you can see I also uploaded my picture, and there are so many things you can do. But the first thing I want to talk about is the profile. Okay, the profile section. Then we come back to the forums, and I'll just walk you through what you can do. So let's go into my profile. I'll just click, and it should load beautifully. Okay, so you can see this is something small I created just to show, yes, I'm a member of the website. So you have home, activity, profile, notifications, messages, friends, groups, forums, and settings. So it means that with the activity, that's going to be where you see what people have posted in terms of updating their timeline and stuff. You can also share something. So what's new, what's anything at all that's educative and inspiring, you can just share it on there and post the update. So with this, once you post it on your activity, every member would see it. Okay, every member of the African Geek site is going to see it. Okay, so that's how you can do it. You can also mention people and stuff. People can come here and also comment, and they can mark whatever you posted as favorite, just to give you a thumbs up and stuff like that. Then you can mention people, okay, but no one, I haven't done any of that yet and stuff like that. So there's nothing really in the mention section of this platform. Okay, so I'll just go back again and let it load quickly. Okay, so with this you can also add friends. Okay, you can have friends and also send them friend requests and stuff like that. So there's this new person who joined, Love Britannia. Okay, and if you're watching this video, I've seen your account and all of that, so I can just click on her name. Okay, and so you can see there's a section to add friend, public message, and private message. So I can private message her, but in this case I just want to send her a friend request, so I can just click on add friend. Okay, then it sends her a friend request, so she would see I've sent her a friend request. Okay, and if she also gets to post anything on her status, an update, not status, but when she gets to post anything, I'll also see it. Okay, then let me just go back into the profile to show you some of the things you can do just to update your profile. So once you come onto your profile, all you need to do is to click on profile, and when you get into your profile section, you can see with this the only thing we need is your name, username, and maybe you can update your profile photo. I think it would be advisable to update your profile photo so that anyone else can also see you and things like that. Okay, so you can edit. Okay, so once I click on edit, I can just change some few things about me. Okay, so the name, and that's the main thing, just your name. And once I make friends on the platform, I can see my friends over here. So request, you can see no friendships yet, but with the request, since I've sent Britannia a message, okay, it's saying no pending. I think it should load. After a while, it will just load here. Okay, so this just has to do with the activity section, and if you want to go into the main activity section, you can just hover on the community menu and see activity. So once you do that, once you click on it should load, and this is another place where you can see what had been done so far on the website, okay, or on the community platform. So you can also come here, type anything and post, and you can also see the members and stuff like that, send them requests, messaging, and all of these things. Then the next thing is to go into the community and also to walk you through what are some of the things you can do. Okay, so let's say I wanted to post about Canva. What I can do is I can come to the Canva design forum and click on, just click on it. Then it should open into another page where I can post about, I can post about anything that has to do with Canva. Okay, so this is what we are seeing here, but you just have to scroll down and add our topic. So let's say I wanted to talk about the new Canva shortcut. Okay, so I can see shortcuts in Canva. Okay, then I can come here and say just post anything at all. Just more of what I want to talk about in terms of the shortcuts in Canva. And after I do that, I can add some tags. So I can say Canva, okay, and Canva design. Okay, maybe I just leave some space in Canva design, and I can just say content creation. Okay, so these are some tags I've added. Then I can check on this, okay, so that just in case people come and respond to whatever you've posted, you can also receive notification that someone has replied to your topic or anything at all you spoke about, and you can come on there, interact with people, and build your own community out of this also. So once you do all of that, all you need to do is to click on submit. Okay, and once you submit, it will be posted there, so anyone who comes in the Canva forum, okay, the Canva design forum, would see what you have posted. It will be the next thing over here. So this is just to say that, look, feel free to share ideas, share things you'd want to things about the topic, about the forum. Just meet people, share ideas, teach people stuff. And I'm sure the more you do that and the more people visit the platform, this will be a plus for you, because now they get to see that, oh, this person has done this here, and they may be interested in asking you for more, or even to ask you for your services and stuff. And they can, you can just talk to them, and it grows from there. So that's pretty much most of the things you can do at the moment on the community section of the Applicant Geek website. And this was created for you and for every one who wants to be a part of the community. Okay, and as it progresses, more forums will be added. Okay, so for now, this is what we have at the moment, and there's a section which will be created for suggestions, so that just in case you want a forum on a particular topic to be created, or a particular subject to be created, you can also suggest it, and as soon as we come across it, we would create it, so that you can begin to post more topics under the forum. Okay, and another thing is, you are going to be a moderator once you realize you are active, posting more topics about about the various forums on there. So this is the main thing I wanted to talk to you about, and I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it, and I just hope you create your account, because I would really, really appreciate if you create an account here, and we just communicate, share ideas, just to make the community a better place. Okay, so the name has always been Benjamin, and always remember, there's no limit to creativity. This was for you, and I want you to take advantage of it. So I'll see you in my next video.